What's going on, everybody, man? It is Tapped In Tevo, and we are back today. It's 5:23 p.m. on the Thursday, the 11th, here in Thailand. And man, honestly, I just had a message on my heart today just to send to a lot of people. Feel like this was a download coming in from the Most High. So today, we're not gonna be talking about Thailand this, Thailand that. It's gonna be a little different today, man, but I definitely appreciate y'all for tapping in. Before we get started, please let's go ahead and like this video so we can get this message out to as many people as we can, y'all. So please take a second to like the video. If you guys are new to the channel, please take a second to subscribe to my channel to get more great content and more great messages like the one that you're about to receive today, man. And I feel like everything is divine timing, man. So I'm not popping up on your timeline. I'm not popping up on your page for no reason today, man. I'm popping up for a great reason and for a great message to share with you. And I feel like everybody might need to hear this today, or somebody might need to hear this message today, man, just to keep them pushing and to keep them going, no matter what they're going through, no matter what they're facing in life right now, man. We all know life can be full of ups and downs, and it's not always peaches and cream. Things can go wrong, man. That's what life is all about. But what really matters most is how we deal with those trials and tribulations and keep pushing forward no matter what, day by day, y'all. That's what really makes you strong, and that's what really makes you truly authentic to who you really are, y'all. So you can't let these trials and tribulations beat you up that you face in life. You just have to keep pushing, keep going, stay strong, keep your mental intact, and yeah, let's get into it, man. So once again, I appreciate everybody for tapping in, man, and staying locked in with me on my journey, and just allowing me to be able to speak to you through my platform, man. But hey, if you guys are doing something right now, let's just take a second to pause whatever you're doing real quick and listen to this message that I got for you guys, man. It's gonna be a powerful message that I have for you today. So listen, man, I don't know who needs to hear this, but honestly, today, you are a lot closer than you think, man. I'm gonna just start off by saying, you are much closer than you think you are, bro. Closer to your breakthrough, closer to peace, closer to the life that you've been praying for. You're right there at it, man. You're right there at the door. And I know sometimes it definitely can feel like you've been working, trying, fighting, and just healing, and nothing is really happening for you, for yourself or for your life. But trust me, something is definitely happening for you behind closed doors, man. You just cannot see it yet, y'all. You just cannot see it yet. So today, I want to speak life into a lot of people out there that's watching my videos, man, because you deserve to hear that you are not done, like you are not stuck, and you are definitely always evolving, whether you can realize it or whether you can see it or you cannot, bro. There's so many things that goes on behind closed doors that we just don't have the power to see, man. God is always working for you and will always be working for you, man. And I just want to let you guys know that today. So do you ever notice most people quit right before things turn around for their life, man? Right before the blessings hit, right before something finally breaks open. But it's basically because the journey gets harder when you're so close to your goal. When you're so close, the journey will get the toughest that it's ever been, just to test you guys, man, just to test you. So the pressure will increase, the challenges will get heavier. Life starts testing you so much in so many little ways, man. It'll test you, but it's not like a punishment. It's definitely not a punishment. What it's trying to do is prepare you for what's to come. So you have to be prepared mentally, physically, and spiritually for the things that you desire to come. So a lot of times when you right at the doorstep to your goals, man, you will definitely feel so much resistance, and you will also get so frustrated and so overwhelmed, man. But y'all, that's really just the signs that you are about to break through to the next level, and that's truly truly what it means. And I really want y'all to just take a second and think about all the things that you have been through, that you have survived, bro. Like, just think about so many things that you've been through, and you still here today to keep pushing and to keep going. You still here. Like, it didn't break you. You are still here. Every loss, every failure, every heartbreak, every moment you thought that would break you, didn't break you, man. You're still here. You're still standing. You're still learning. You have to realize sometimes when you feel like you think you're ready, life will tell you that you're truly not ready, and God knows when you truly are ready for the things that He has prepared for you, man. So there's never any mistakes in life. Everything that we go through for a deeper meaning, a deeper reason, man. So sometimes life will tell you, like, no, not yet, you're not ready. So you have to go through mistakes, you have to go through tribulations, you have to go through different things, so that way it'll prepare you to be ready for the things to come. I know a lot of people just always want to jump to the finish line, man. I know a lot of people just love to just try to just jump ahead and skip the line when it comes to life and chasing their dreams and chasing their goals, but it doesn't work like that. Sometimes it takes time, because you are still growing, you know, within yourself into the person who can handle the task that's coming for you. But until you're ready to handle the task, it's not gonna come yet for you. So a lot of people will think that their breakthrough is just about the opportunity, but it's not just about the opportunity. It's about who you become on the way to receiving your blessings, and who you become to receiving your breakthrough, man. Delay is literally like protection in life. It's protection, it's preparation, and it's alignment. So you are not being held back for a reason. You're being basically positioned for the process. You're being positioned for your journey. So don't look at it as like, man, nothing never works out for me, nothing never goes my way, or da 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 da, because that's not what it is. It's just that you are being prepped for your breakthrough to come, man. You guys got to realize that ultimately with the highest power. A lot of times, man, I know we may not be where we want to be yet, and I know me personally, I have so much more to learn and so much more growth to experience, man. I know that I'm not anywhere near my true full potential self, but it's definitely on the way. Every single day, every single step I take in life builds up to that future, y'all. So every small step definitely counts, man. Every little improvement matters. Every lesson that you go through is like a piece to your bigger puzzle, man. So don't beat yourself up. You have to give yourself grace, man. Progress isn't loud. Sometimes it's definitely silent, and sometimes it can be very, very slow. But a true aspect of life boils down to patience, man. Patience is one of the biggest virtues of life, man. You gotta have patience. So sometimes it looks like nothing is happening, y'all, but trust me, the seeds that you plant months ago are gonna start to grow and for harvest, believe me. So it's not the end of the road, it's not the end of the world. You have to take it day by day and learn from each lesson and take each step day by day, bro. Like, it's not gonna just come overnight, y'all. So a lot of times when we plant these seeds, man, we have to realize when you plant a seed, what grows from a seed? A whole tree grows from a seed. It's many parts that starts off whenever a tree or whenever a plant grows. It starts off as a seed, then it sprouts out the ground, and then it starts to get roots. Once the roots grow, then it starts to bring leaves. It starts to bring branches. So these are the same aspects and ways that life actually works for us as human beings, man. But a lot of times we don't see those things because we're just so caught up in trying to get there and rushing nowhere fast. But we have to go through so many life lessons to get where we truly want to be when the time is said and done. You know, a lot of times, man, on your journey in life, you can definitely feel lonely, but you are lonely for a reason. It's not because you're supposed to walk it alone, but because everyone cannot go with you where you're going, man. You have to realize that everyone is not meant to be around you on this journey that may be laid out for you. So sometimes it takes for you to go through that door alone, y'all. A lot of people are scared to go through life alone, but That's where true peace, happiness, and things really start to open up for you when you sit down, take time, and be still with yourself. Because so many people are just full of distractions and hanging out with their friends and doing this and doing that, but they don't realize that it takes loneliness for you to grow as well, man. So you have to embrace the loneliness. You have to embrace the loneliness. Some people were only meant to be a part of your story, but not your destiny, y'all. So that's that separation that you guys feel. It's a shift basically with your circle, your friends, even sometimes family members. Even sometimes family members are not meant to go where you are trying to go in life because it's specifically special for you. So all you have to do is stay connected with yourself and stay connected with your environments. And trust me, things will definitely move fast for you when you stay grounded with yourself, y'all. Guys, I really want you to know that, listen, your breakthrough is much closer than you think, y'all. I want y'all to hear me clearly when I say this. Like, your breakthrough is not far. It's not years away. It's not hidden. It's much, much, much closer than you think it is, y'all. Okay? It's much closer than you think it is. Closer than you believe, closer than you can feel. You just have to keep going every single day long enough for you and to show up for yourself on a consistent basis, y'all. You have to show up for yourself. You're not waiting on the blessing. The blessing is waiting on your presence, like literally. So you're not waiting on your blessing. The blessing is already there waiting for you to align, y'all. You just gotta align yourselves and be still and be quiet and listen, man. Listen to what life has to teach you. Listen to what life tells you, man. It's not all about you talking and trying to know everything. You have to listen because there's so much stuff that we just don't know in life or about ourselves, bro. Like, we only can see like 2% of the light spectrum. It's so many things going on around us that you cannot even fathom, y'all, because you have to tap in. You have to be still. You have to be silent. You have to be alone. You can't be scared to be alone. You can't be scared of the dark, y'all. You have to sit in darkness, sit in stillness to see these things, to learn these things, man. I promise you. But it's not far. Your breakthrough is definitely not far, y'all. It's coming sooner than you know it. Believe me, I promise you. So listen, man, I'm not trying to talk your heads off today, but listen. Do not quit, y'all. Never quit. Don't give up on yourself, man. There's so many people out there going through mental health issues, things like that. That's what inspired me to make this video today. I wanted to do something a little different. I didn't want to talk about Thailand this, Thailand that, come to see the beaches, I wanted to send out a real message today for a lot of people who are going through real issues, man. So me talking about Thailand is not going to help people with their real issues all the time. So that's why I'm dropping this message today. Please, guys, do not doubt yourself. Please do not doubt yourself. Don't let fear talk to you out of your future, because your future is very, very bright, man. Your future is very bright. And listen, you are much, much closer than you think. Your breakthrough is definitely coming, and your story is literally just getting started. Just keep our mind intact. When you see your brother or sister down, man, give them a pat on the back. Give them words of encouragement, man. We need more people being more peaceful in the world, man. Don't tear your brothers or sisters down, man, because we all need each other. We all go through things, and we all know that life can sometimes beat us up, man. No matter who you are, you can be the richest person in the world or the poorest person in the world, man. Life is always lifing out here, y'all. So no matter what you do, never look down on the next man because they don't have certain things, or they don't have the things that you got, or you might know some things that they don't know. Because at the end of the day, we all had to start from somewhere, y'all. We all had to start from somewhere. And guys, a lot of times we don't know how important it is to push our brothers and sisters along, man, because you just never know what people go through, man. Suicide rates are through the roof. People have bills through the roof. Just so many things that keeps them stressed and keeps them worried. But when we have each other, that's literally all we need, y'all. All we need is a neighbor to help us, to push us farther and farther along on this journey, man. But some people, they don't have nowhere to turn, or anything like that, man. So that's why I'm here today, to give you guys this message, man. If you out there and you feel like you're alone, you don't have no one, I'm giving you your pat on the back to let you know that you're doing a great job. Like, you're doing a great job with everything that you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep trying. Don't give up on yourself, man, because you are almost there at the finish line, I promise you. When life hits, trust me, it's because so many great things are gonna come your way, y'all. Life hits people who go, some people go through so many things because they're so strong. They're a warrior, man. So I know me, I have a warrior spirit. So a lot of times it's really rough for me, bro. It's really rough for me to just come out here and be able to start from scratch and do everything that I'm doing, y'all. I literally started from scratch. But me, with the mindset that I have, I know that I'm a warrior, and there's nothing in life that can defeat me, man. There's nothing in life that can defeat me, not even death itself, bro. Because you can't be afraid, y'all. You can't be afraid, because life is gonna go on and on and on and on and on. There's never been a time where you wasn't here, trust me. Never been a time that you was not here. So when life beats you up, please take a step back, get silent, be still, look within, be alone sometimes, and trust me, things will get better for you. You just have to keep a positive mindset. You have to keep pushing, keep going. Don't let nobody steer you away from your journey, man, because your journey is meant for you and you only, and you are special. Believe me, you are special. Guys, if you needed to hear this message today, please tap in with me, subscribe for more. I will be, dropping content like this as well in the mix of my Thailand endeavors and stuff like that. But let's rise up together. Let's stay strong. Let's stay peaceful. Let's keep our minds intact. I'm just a messenger. Today, this message was on my heart to give to you guys, man, versus, like I said, talking about the everyday Thailand stuff. If you guys resonate with this message, if this message hit home to you, please like the video, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace, man. Love y'all.